From the international stage for incredible innovation. Hi, it's Dave Graveline with Into Tomorrow. We are celebrating our 20th year broadcasting from the International CES. And this here in Las Vegas is the 2015 edition. There is so much to see and hear and learn about and talk about on the show floor this year. We don't want you to miss a minute of it. Plus, we've got 3 weeks of radio broadcasts from here in our broadcast booth over my shoulder on the show floor. So be sure to catch all the radio broadcasts, and if we don't have an affiliate in your area, our free Into Tomorrow apps will deliver those to you. And of course, you can hear us anytime at intotomorrow.com. Meantime, let's hit the show floor and show you some of the cool things going on at CES.
Welcome to the 2015 International CES, where innovation comes to market.
And we have some great products that I think that your listeners are going to really enjoy hearing about. Here we have a over 10-inch diameter high-definition screen. Now this machine has a camera in it. It has a laser guide. It has videos. It's got an MP3 player. Do you know what's really cool about this machine? It will actually sew or embroider without you touching anything. It'll do it by itself.
First thing is we're leading the way with 4K, with our 4K Ultra HD Joey, which works with any of the new 4K television sets. The Americans only care about 3 things when it comes to their content: affordability, ease of use, and mobility, and we got all of them in spades. We have a new small remote control. It's called Hopper Voice, and if it understands my accent, it'll understand anybody's. And our old remote had 53 buttons. This has 17. And it scroll or swipe. But for old guys like me, the numbers light up so I can press the channel button.
You're saying I'm going to like this remote too.
You're going to like it, David.
So we're thrilled to be announcing our partnership with the Culinary Institute of America here at CES this year. 3D Systems is absolutely ecstatic to be partnering with them with our food printing initiatives. So together with the Culinary Institute, we are exploring this totally new territory of 3D printing food.
Called a rewalk. It's designed to help the paraplegics to walk. Simple as that.
And it's doing it for you.
And it's doing it. I'm living proof. I remember back when I came out of my surgery, and the neurosurgeon tells you so bluntly, listen, you're paraplegic, you're not gonna walk again. And that's it. Now they can tell you you're paraplegic, and that's an alternative.
And this is a completely autonomous driving car, a self-driving car, which shows the luxury of the future. Its name is FO15 Luxury in Motion. That's why we say in the future cities become more and more dense, traffic becomes more and more dense, and that's why time and private space is kind of a luxury good of the future, and also unlimited access to information, and that's what this vehicle behind me offers.
the latest in mobile technology here in our IQ dual fuel range, which is the world's first smart professional cooking range for the home. And so
let's talk about what makes it smart and professional then.
yeah, well, so it's smart because it's running a full Android tablet, and the Decor IQ cooking app runs on top of this tablet. So with this IQ cooking app, we are just free to do whatever we want to have fun with cooking on a stove.
Every time I hear Dave, I feel as though I've been transported into tomorrow.
Now I'm right back here.
Well, hi, Tyler. Where are you?
I'm sitting at my house in New York right now in front of my computer.
I see.
So in Las Vegas with you at the same time.
Yes, you are, and you're being relatively interactive with me at the same time.
Yeah, that's the whole idea behind Beam. We like to call it a smart presence system, which that allows us basically to be somewhere in the world without actually having our bodies there. So I interact with you, I can move around with you, I can communicate with you just like I would if I was actually standing in front of you in person.
We're unveiling the first 720-degree camera, which means 360 degrees vertical, 360 degrees horizontal, leaving you with no blind spots and using no moving parts. Real quick way to show it is a demonstration. This is a video of the Venetian. This is one camera capturing everything from solid up, looking straight down, and everything all around. It also allows you to use the gyroscope of the device, changing the video scenario.
That's the first smartphone controlled plane in the world called Smart Plane. It just works with every Android device and every iPhone. You just control by tilting the phone to the left and right, and you have to thumb on the throttle just for up and down, or for fast and slower. And just tilting the phone to the left and right is enough to control this really, really small plane. It's for indoor and outdoor.
What we're here doing at CES 2015 this year is to show our smart garments. One of the smart garments that we have on the market is this smart sock. What it does is that we have actually turned textile into sensors, pressure sensors. In this case, we have made it into a running sock for consumers. On the bottom of the sock, there are these pressure sensors. There are 3 of them that detect your pressure as you're landing on the ground. Why is this important to runners? Well, runners want to actually know whether they're landing on the ball versus the heel of the foot, and also they want to know the cadence. All of these parameters are very important to the running form. Slight changes in the running form can actually modify the risk or reduce the risk of injury.
These are the HP Mini PCs. This is the Pavilion Mini, which is a Intel Pentium processor, 500 gigabytes of rotating media, 4 gigabytes of RAM. You'll notice it's got 2 video outs. You can actually run 2 monitors off this device, 4 USBs, Wi-Fi, gigabit Ethernet, and Bluetooth. If you want to use this thing to drive 2 monitors, it's not a problem.
From my consumer electronics throne here on the show floor, very cool chair, want to remind you that it's not all about work. Yeah, of course, we all have a passion. My entire team does for the 20 years we've been broadcasting from CES. But once in a while, I try to take the team out for a special event and off the beaten path to one of the most exciting shows here in Las Vegas. If you've seen anything on this Into Tomorrow CES 2015 highlight video that you'd like to know more about, be sure to participate on the program. Guess what? We're bringing back a whole lot of cool products from CES for listener giveaways. Our audience loves the fact that we have so many cool things on a regular basis, but we're clearing the shelves in some cases from some of the good exhibits here at CES that are giving us prizes to share with you. So use the audio option on our free app, or of course 1-800-899-INTO, 800-899-4686, anytime, 24/7. And if you missed any of our 3 weeks worth of radio shows, be sure to catch them on our free Into Tomorrow app or at intotomorrow.com. On behalf of the entire Into Tomorrow away team here in Las Vegas at the 2015 International CES, I'm Dave Graveline. Stay tuned. Into Tomorrow.